उत्पादयन् केशयतिर्विमुक्तः वारिराशौ नदी प्रवाहाः इव यत्र परेहिताः विषयाः प्रविष्टाः सन्मात्रतया लीनन्ति न विक्रियाम् उत्पादयन्ति एषः यतिः विमुक्तः।
एषः यतिः विमुक्तः। This type of yati, yati means sannyasi or mumukshu, who have already got the knowledge, is vimukta, has got jivan mukti. Who is he? In whom sense pleasures offered by others do not create any change, any modification. Illustration is Varirashau Nadi Pravahaha Iva. Just as the rivers go and merge in the ocean. Now, the level of ocean is not going to get increased because rivers, not one river, all rivers constantly pour the water in the sea. It is same as such. There is no exaltation on the part of ocean. There is no increase in the level of the ocean. Everything is just absorbed without any reaction. So, Varirashau Nadi Pravaha Iva Yatra means Yasmin Jivan Mukte, in which Jivan Mukta. These Vishayas, what type of Vishayas? Pareritaha, Paraihi, Anyaihi, Iritaha, presented, offered by others. He has not taken to them on one's own, but because someone has offered. Pareritaha, Vishayaha, Pravishtaha, they just merge there. So how? Sanmatrataya linanti. Linanti means liyante. They get merged. How? Sanmatrataya, Satsvarupa Atmamatrataya, Brahmamatrataya. As Vishaya, it doesn't create any reaction on his part. So, Sanmatrataya linanti. What do you mean by Sanmatrataya linanti? Vikriyam na utpadayanti. Joy or sorrow or rejoicing, such things do not create at all. Sa eshaha yati vimukta. This is the yati who is jivan mukta. So this stanza we get in Bhagavad Gita chapter 4. Apuryamana pratishtam samudramapa pravishanti sarve tadvat kamayam pravishanti sarve sashanti mapnoti matamakam. Just the rivers filling up from all sides the ocean are incapable of creating any rise or any reaction on the part of it. They just merge in the ocean. So also these sense objects are incapable of creating any change, modification, vikriya in this person. You know why? Why Samudra is so full and complete, this is just nothing. So also is Paramanandataha is full and complete. Compared to the Paramananda Swarupa, this Vishayananda has nothing to do to him. But one question comes. How do you say there is no Vikriya in him? Look here. So long as the Prarabdha is there, body continues. So long as body continues, body is on account of what? Prarabdha. What is Prarabdha? Karma Phala. Karma Phala is bound to give Sukha Dukkha. When Sukha Dukkha of Karma Phalas are there, how do you say he is Nirvikari? How is it possible that he is Nirvikari? So because Shruti also says, Tasya Tavadeva Chiram Yavanna Vimokshe Ata Sampatte. For that, Jivan Mukta, only the delay to gain Videya Mukti is until the Prarabdha gets over. Once the Prarabdha gets exhausted, Sampatte, that means he becomes one with the Sat Swarupa Brahma. But till then, Prarabdha is there. Prarabdha means Bhoga is there. Bhoga means Sukha Dukha Anubhava are bound to be there. How do you say there is no Nirvikara in this? Same thing, there is a Brahma Sutra 4.190. Bhogena tu itare kshapayitva sampadyate. Tu. In contrast to Sanchita Karma, Itare means Arabdhe Papa Punni. Papa and Punya, the word given by who? According to what? Prarabdha Karma. Arabdhe Papa Punni. Papa Punya in accordance with the Prarabdha Karma. What happens to them? Bhogena Kshapayitva. Having exhausted them by Bhoga, then Sampaddhati. He becomes one with Brahma Sarupa, Sat Sarupa. Means Prarabdha is there, Bhoga is there. Bhoga means Sukha Dukha is there. When Sukha Dukha is there, how can he be Nirvikari? So that is the question is being answered now.
Vijnata Brahma Tattvasya Yatha Purvam na samshrutihi Asti chenna sa vijnata brahma bhavo bahirmukha Anvaya Vijnata brahma tattvasya Yatha Purvam Samshrutihi Na Asti Chet Saha
Samshrutihi na. Stop there, full stop. Asti Chet Saha. Second sentence.
Asti Chet Saha Bahirmukha Vijnata Brahma Bhava No.
Vijnata Brahma Tattvasya. In the case of a person who has got, who is Vijnataha. Vijnata means Sakshatkritaha. The one by whom, that is Brahma Tattva Sakshatkara, has been accomplished. One has got the Sakshatkara, direct cognition, Aparokshanubhava of Brahma Tattva. Yatha Purvam Samsrutihi na asti. In his case, Samsruti means samsara in the sense Sukha Dukkha Anubhava. Samsruti here is what? Sukha Dukkha Anubhava. So, Sukha Dukkha Anubhava. So, that is experience of joy and sorrow. Na. Suppose it is that simple. What is that? He is not Vijnata Brahma Tattva. That's all. Very simple. Asti chet. In case Sukha Dukkhatmaka Anubhava is there, it's a simple Saha Bahirmukha. He is extrovert in nature. And why he is extrovert in nature? Vijnata Brahma Bhavaha na. He is not a person who has got the Sakshatkara of Brahma. You know why in Sakshatkara that Brahmananda, Paramananda is so evident, afterwards these Sukha Dukkhas don't make much sense to him. They may come and go, but they don't make much sense to him. And if they do make, you see, he is Bahirmukha, Vijnata Brahma Bhava, he is not. How this is so? Because vasanas, earlier vasanas, they become blunt, they become weak, they become dull, and therefore the Samskriti Sukha Dukkham Bhava is not there in him. Continue.
Prachina vasana vega asau samsarati tije nasate katva vijnanat mandi bhavati vasana. असौ प्राचीन वासना वेगा संसरति इति चेत् न सदेकत्व विज्ञानात् वासना मंदी भवति.
So, this person who is the Jivan Mukta, Prachina Vasana Vega, on account of the force of earlier Vasana, because he was a Baddha, so Vishaya Vasanas will have, and that Vishaya Vasanas will have the momentum, and Prachina Vishaya Vasana Vega. Asau means this Jivan Mukta. Samsarati iti che. Samsarati means get subjected to Sukha Dukkha Anubhava. Get subjected to Sukha Dukkha Anubhava. Iti che, if he says so, no. Answer is no, it is not so. You know why? Sadekatva vijnanat vasana mandi bhavati. Because sakshatkara of Sat-Sarupa Eka Brahma, earlier vasanas become dull, they become blunted, they don't have the power that used to have earlier in the state of ignorance. So therefore, vasanas become ineffective. In the case of person who has got a vijnana, sakshatkara of Sat-Sarupa Eka Dvitiya Brahma, to which an illustration is given.
Atyantakamukasyati vritti kuntati matari tathaiva brahmani jnate purnanande manishinaha. Advaya atyanta kamukasya api matari vritti kuntati तथा एव पूर्णानंदे ब्रह्मणि ज्ञाते मनीषिणः.
In the result of a person who is atyanta kamukaha, very lustful person, even in case of such a person, vritti here is lustful passion. Vritti, lustful passion. Matari kunthati, moment he sees the mother, it is totally ineffective. Even that such a intense lustful passion just becomes nothing when he sees the mother. So kunti bhavati. Tatha eva, in the same manner, Purnanande Brahmani Jnate. When Purna Ananda Sarupa Brahma is Sakshatkita, directly known. Manishinaha, what happens? Vasanas become, what is that? Kuntanti, they become dull, ineffective. Vasanas are totally incapable of creating any, that is, vikriya in him. Now Shruti says no, Prarabdha is there. How is it? Shruti, when says Prarabdha is there, so yes. Shruti says Prarabdha from a certain standpoint. What is it? A person who is on the verge of becoming Jivan Mukta takes to Nididhyasana. Mind is totally not absorbed in the Swarupa, but at times it gets absorbed. Nididhyasana means Savikalpa Samadhi is possible, but at the same time he is out of that, and when he is out of that, identification of the body continues to be there. When identification of the body is there, Sukha Dukkha Anubhava are there. Sukha Dukkha Anubhava without the karma phala is not possible, and therefore what we have to take into account, oh, this person has got prarabdha karma, this person has got prarabdha karma. From that standpoint, Shruti does accept with a limited sense prarabdha is there for a jnani. Continuing.
Nididhyasanashilasya Bhaya Pratyaya Ishate Praviti Shrutiretasya Prarabdham Paladarshana. Anvaya Nididhyasanashilasya Bhaya Pratyaya Ikshate Paladarshanaat Etasya Prarabdham Shruti Braviti.
In the case of such a person, Nididhyasanashila, a person who is committed to, engrossed in Nididhyasana, say, what does he do in Nididhyasana? Listening to Raghu Gita. Now CD is available. See, removal of anatma pratyaya and entertaining the atma pratyaya, brahma pratyaya. To the extent he is able to entertain brahma pratyaya, so to that extent he gets absorbed in the Swarupa. But still being at the stage of Nididhyasana, not total absorption in the Brahma Swarupa is there. It is interrupted by Bahya Pratyayat Anatma Pratyaya. So now, Nididhyasana Shilasya Bahya Pratyayaha Ikshate. No doubt, he is putting industrious efforts to maintain uninterruptedly the Brahma Pratyaya. In between, Bahya Pratyayas are seen. Experiences of the external world is certainly seen in the person. Bahya Pratyaya is seen. Now, Bahya Pratyayas will be what type? Sukha Dukkha. When they are of Sukha Dukkha, what is that? Karma Phala is there. Shruti says Prarabdha is there. Because without the Karma Phala, Sukha Dukkhatmaka experiences are not possible. That's why we need not blame someone for our plight. Whether, of course, if it is good, nobody bothers. If it is bad, we always have got some scapegoats. Because of that person it happened. It has not happened because of any person, it is because of oneself. For every experience there is karmaphala. And that karmaphala is the phala of one's own karma. Maybe in the past, one itself is responsible for all the sukha dukkhatmaka anubhavas, bhogas. So that says, so ikshate phala darshana. Phala darshana means sukha dukkha anubhava darshana. Sukha dukkha anubhava darshana. Because what is seen is experience of sukha dukkha is the phala of karma darshana. Tasya etasya. Etasya means one who is dhyata, one who has taken to nididhyasana, one who has taken to nididhyasana. Etasya prarabdham shruti braviti. Shruti says that this person has got prarabdha. Actually, it is from the standpoint of the lay world. People ask, this person has got sukha dukkha, how is it possible? Answer is given, it is his prarabdha. But if he is a seasoned jivan mukta, absorbed in the swarupa, people may say, but as far as he is concerned, he is not aware of the body, his mind is absorbed in that. For such a person, even that so-called admitted by prarabdha, admitted by Shruti, is no more there. So therefore, this we have seen in detail. Where? Aparokshanubhuti. Aparokshanubhuti, this was analyzed in detail. So therefore, two standpoints, different standpoints. One is from the world standpoint, prarabdha is there. So now other is from Jivan Mukta Swarupa standpoint, prarabdha is not there. Both hold good because which is the view that is taken to has to be taken into account. So therefore I say Shruti prarabdham Shruti brute. Same thing is explained further.
Sukhadyamubhavo yavat tavat prarabdhamishyate palodaya kriya purvaha niskriyo nahi kutrachit. अन्वय यावत् सुखादि अनुभवः तावत् प्रारब्धम् इष्यते फलोदयः क्रियापूर्वः निष्क्रियः कुत्रचित् न हि.
Yavat, so long as sukhadi anubhava, so long as this person gets subjected to experiences of joy and sorrows, tavat, till then the prarabdham ishyate angikriyate, accepted. Till then prarabdha karma is accepted by Shruti. Why? There is a reason. What is the reason? Phalodayaha. Phalasya udayaha means udbhavaha, utpattihi. Phalasya. What is that phalasya? Sukha dukkhatmaka karma phalasya. So, phalasya, sukhasya dukkhasya va udbhavaha, udayaha udbhavaha is on account of what? Kriya purvaha. Has got kriya as its purva means karan, means kriya janyaha. Kriya purvaha means kriya janya born of karma. How we say so? Because nishkriyaha kutrachit nahi. Any falodaya, sukha dukkha utpatti, nishkriya means without being the result of karma, na kutrachit, nowhere it is. Sukha dukkha just don't drop from the blue sky. So they are on account of one's soul karma phala. And that's but he is a jnani. ज्ञानी क्या करेंगे? अब तक अज्ञानी था. You know that Dashamo Nashtaha. See, you know that famous story. So that leader, you see, who found that there is no 10th person, somebody from his group is missing. How am I to answer his parents, etc.? He became desperate and started hitting his head against the wall and got bruises and started bleeding also. A passerby after her pointed out that 10th person is not missing, is there, etc. He was happy because he himself was the 10th person. So what will happen to the wound? He has to wait until it gets healed. And if blood sugar is there, he has to control blood sugar. Blood sugar also he has to control. Why prarabdha? So that knowledge that 10th person is not lost, he is very there. He is not going to heal the wound. Likewise, I am Brahma Sarupa. This is not going to terminate the prarabdha. But if his nishtha is so intense that mind is absorbed, what happens is Brahma Pratyaya is so intense, as a result, Anatma Sukha Dukkha Pratyaya has no occasion to surface. Then we say what? Prarabdha is not there. So therefore, the Phalodaya, Sukha Dukkha Atma Anubhava, without Karma Phala is just not possible. And therefore, it is said that this person has got prarabdha. Continue.
Aham brahmeti vijnana kalpa koti shatarjitam sanchitam vilayam yati प्रबोधा स्वप्न कर्मवत्. अन्वय प्रबोधा स्वप्न कर्मवत् अहम ब्रह्म इति विज्ञानं कल्पकोटिशतार्जितं संचितं विलयं याति.
Prabodha. Say, the question is like this. You say, Jnani, Jivan Mukta has got prarabdha. But Shruti also says, Chiyante Jase Karmani. His karmas get destroyed. Yes. Except prarabdha. Which get destroyed? Sanchita and Agama. So that's what. So that is, in the wake of Brahma Sakshakara, Sanchita, Agami get destroyed. That is being described here. See? For which illustration is given. Prabodhat Sapna Karma. After waking up, what happens to the karmas done in the dream? This fellow killed someone in the dream. Morning, police knocking at the door. Is it? You killed someone. Is it that way? Is the answerable? Because the dreamer who was the murderer is falsified in the waking. That's all. No more. This is entirely different entity. So also, the ahamkara who was the karta is falsified in Brahma Jnana. As a result, one who was the doer of the karma no more available. So they say, no, criminal deceased, file closed. Any criminal procedure, so long as the criminal is alive. Once he is dead, file is closed. Ahamkara, criminal, deceased, file closed. Atma has nothing to do, nor the body has anything to do. You know why? Body is inert. Atma is nirupadika. No one is answerable. Then who was answerable? In between imposter. Who was that? Ahamkara, who because of Chidabhasa was arrogating the body as I. He is the one who is no more. So that will say, Swapna karma, prabodha swapna karma. Just as on waking up, the swapna karma gets totally destroyed without anyone being there to answer it. Aham brahmeti vijnana. By this vijnana, sakshatkara, that I am Brahma, you know what happens? Kalpa koti shatarjitam sanchitam. Sanchita karma, arjitam, and earned, where in kalpa koti shata, in the hundreds of crores of janma, not years, janma, arjitam, says Lord. What happens? Sanchitam vidayam yati. You know what is sanchitam? From sum total of all past karma phalas, those which are immediately ready to fructify, they fructify in terms of prarabdha. Minus prarabdha, whatever that is into account from past birth is sanchita. Present embodiment, if it is human embodiment, whatever karma is done, it comes as agami, that is going to come in the future. So, entire stock of prarabdha karma, sanchita karma gets destroyed. By owner is with that owner, ahamkara is not. Sanchitam vidayam yati. Same thing, Swapna Drishtanta is further explained.
Yatkrutam swapna velayam punyam va papa vulganam suktochitasya kim tasya Vargaya narakaya va. Anvaya Swapna velayam yat punyam va ulganam papam krutam tat suktothitasya swargaya narakaya va yakim.
Swapna velayam yat punyam va ulbanam papam kritam. Whatever that was done when during the dream. What was done? Punyam, good karma. Or papa, not ordinary papa. Ulbanam papa, fierce, frightening, intense, abundant. or big papas, like Brahma Hatya, Bhruna Hatya, and all those things. So, Ulbanam Papa, says, Kritam, in the case of person who has woken up from the dream, Suptothitasya. Earlier Suptaha, now Uthitaha. He was dreaming earlier, now he is awake. Uthitatasya. Okay. Tat means Swapnavela Punyapapam Swargaya va Swargaya Narakaya va Kim Syatkim. Does it becomes the cause of going to Swarga and Naraka? It has nothing to do with that. So likewise, so in the wake of Jnana and Jnana-nishta for Jivan Mukta, so this Sanchita Karma cannot do anything at all. So, because Sanchita Karma can be effective so long as identification with the body is there. And identification with the body is because of ignorance and consequent adhyasa. So that is not there. What about the Agami? Because Agami means after gaining the knowledge. In the knowledge, he has discovered himself to be akarta, asangaha, one who is totally unconnected to the embodiment, one who is not the doer. In such a case, Agami also cannot bind this person.
Swamasangamudasinam Parijñāya nahoyaka Naslishyate yati kaschit Kadachit bhavikarmaभिः. Anvaya Yatha Navaha Tatha Swam Asangam Udasinam Parijñāya Kadachit bhavikarmaभिः yati na kaschit na kinchit shlishyate.
Kinchit it is not kaschit. Yatha, just said, Nabha, illustration is that of space. Space never gets polluted. You may use the word space pollution. It is actually air pollution and what is called as space pollution. So suppose there is some garbage can is there. Air is foul, not the space. Only because space is in contact with the garbage can, space doesn't become contaminated. So that's why Yatha Nabha, Tatha in the same manner, one who has got the knowledge of one Swarupa. What Swarupa? Swam Asangam Udasinam Parijñāya. Parijñāya has sakshat kritya, having got the direct knowledge of one Swarupa. What is that Swarupa? Asangam. Asangam, unconnected to Upadhi. So karmas are at the Upadhi level. Again, Udasinam, disinterested, indifferent. One who is totally indifferent. Udasinam. Parijñāya, sakshat kritya. Kadachit bhavi karmabhihi. At no, that kadachit no is there. Na kadachit, at no time, bhavi karmabhihi, by the agami karma. See, in the case of ajnani, sanchita minus prarabdha plus agami. Balance Sanchita plus present Agami becomes the future Sanchita, and from that, whatever imminent is there, that takes embodiment, that is the Prarabdha. Now here we are talking of Jnani, whose Sanchita is wiped out because no Ahankara. Because of knowledge, Asangatva is there, Akartrutva in the future karma is not there, Agami cannot get connected. Cannot get connected. Why? Karta is not there. Right? So therefore, Nakadachit, at no time, Bhavi karma bhi. So, by future karmas, which are karmas when? After Atmanubhava. Not after listening Vivek Chudamani. After Sakshatkara. After Atmanubhava. Atmanubhava. Of course, Paroksha Jnana will get lot of punya, but they say that will counteract the durita, but still, if very intense sins are there, stay all right. Stay all right. That person has, Bhashyakara has told in Gita Bhashya, that person has to undergo those intense karma phalas, then the thread will be picked up. If very intense papas are not there, then the chota fellows are not accounted much as such. It can be one can overcome them. So that's why I say, Ulbana Papa, if it is there, stay order comes there. So Bhavi karma bhi, yati hi, yatnashilaha, this seeker, yatnashilaha, na kinchit shrishyati, doesn't get connected even to the least extent. So, why? Abhimana Rupa Sangha is not there. Connection in terms of identification with the embodiment is not there. Now, Nabhaha Yatha, this illustration was given. That illustration is explained.
Nanato Gata Yogena Surabantena Lipyate Tathatmopadi Yogena Tattharmainaiva Lipyate. Anvaya Gatayogena Navaha Surabandhena Na Lipyate Tatha Atmopadi Yogena Tattharmaihi Na Eva Lipyate.
Just as Ghata Yoga. What is Ghata Yoga? Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Ghata Yoga, Pata Yoga. Yoga is Sambandha. Ghata Sambandhena. A jar having liquor is kept. Now the jar has got contact with space or not, or it is in the space. But the jar has got liquor, and that also country liquor. All foul smell is there. So foul smell is there. So now, will the space in the jar will get contaminated? Nothing to do with it. Air maybe, but not the space. So Ghatayogena Nabha stays Suragandena Nalipyate. By the odor, by the foul smell of the wine doesn't get what? Attached or connected. Nalipyate. Tata, in the same manner, Atmopadhi Yogena, because of connection with the upadhi of one's own upadhi, Atmanaha Upadhi Yogena, Atma being connected to upadhi. How Atma is connected to upadhi? This Atma is Asanga because of Ahankara, Tadatma. This Atma, when the Tadatma is gone, Tadharmai na eva lityate. Tadharmai means upadhi dharmai na eva lityate. Doesn't get contaminated, tainted by the features of the upadhi. So now, earlier we had seen one sutra, Bhogena tu itare kshapayitva sampadyate. Itare means arabdha papa punya. Bhogena kshapayitva, having exhausted by bhoga, experience, afterward, this Jivan Mukta becomes one with Swarupa, gets some Vidya-mukti that is now established.
Jnanodaya Purarabdham Karma Jnanam Nanashyati Atatva Swapalam Laksham Uddishyo Srushtavanavath. Anvaya Laksham Uddishya Utsrushtavanavath Jnanodaya Pura Arabdham Karma Swapalam Adatva Jnana Na Nashyati.
Illustration is that of arrow shot at the target. Laksham Uddishya Utsrishta Bana. Utsrishta Bana, arrow that is shot. How? Laksham Uddishya, directed toward the target. Now what happens? It will hit the target. Even if your judgment was wrong, it is going to be explained afterwards. He thought there is a tiger and he shot the arrow or a bullet. Suddenly he found it was a cow. It is going to hit the target because it has got the momentum. At most you may pray, "O Lord, let the cow move away." But the momentum of you could have stopped before shooting, but not afterwards. Like that, prarabdha is like an arrow that is already shot. How do you say? Body is already gone. The body, present body is the proof that prarabdha is on its now function. So the Laksham Uddishya Utsrishta Bhanava Jnanoyadaya Pura Arabdham Karma, which has started its effect before when gaining the Atma Jnana. Body is already taken shape. That karma Jnana Nanashyati. it has got already the generated movement. So, Atma Jnana doesn't destroy. So, the Jnana na nashyati. So, Bharajyate karma swafalam adatva. The prarabdha karma swafalam adatva. Without giving it fal. If he is such a Jivan Mukta, he may not be aware of it. Like cancer, Ramana Maharshi, but it has got its bearing. So that even Ramakrishna Parava also, when he was absorbed in the Swarupa, it was nothing. But at times, when he was aware of the body, yes, he complained, "Oh mother, I am not able to eat." Answer came, "You are eating from all these mouths." This is what. How do you confine yourself to this body? All mouths are your mouths only. Therefore, jnanat not nashyati. The Atma Jnana is incapable of destroying the prarabdha karma because it has already generated its effect. This Laksham Uddishya Utsrishta Bhanavat. This illustration is explained further.
Yagra Buddhya Vinirmuktaha Bana Paschatu Gomatau Natishkati Chinatyeva Laksham Vegena Nirparam. First line as it is, Yagra Buddhya Vinirmuktaha Banaha Paschatu Gomatau Na Tishtati Nirbharam Vegena Laksham Chinati Eva.
Arrow that is shot. With what understanding notion? Vyagra Buddha. Oh, that is a tiger. So this shot the, like who did it? Dasharatha. Thinking a deer he shot, but it turned out to be who? Shravana Kumar. Vyagra Buddhya Vinirmuktaha Bhanaha Paschatu, after what is found, to go matau. Go iti mati. Mati is jnana. Gomati. Gomati is name of a skin. No, Gomati is not cow. Go is cow. Mati is knowledge. That knowledge that it is not a Vyagra but it is a cow. Go matau means when he gets the knowledge that it is not a tiger but a Gomati. What happens? He didn't intend to kill the cow, but arrow is already shot. It will have its own course. Nothing can stop it. Not ishtati. Only because he discovered it to be a cow, that arrow is not going to stop. It has already got the momentum. What does it do? It says, Nirbharam. It is quickly, violently, strongly, or it is kurant. It is quickly. Vegena, speedily, Laksham Chinati eva. Pierces the target. It pierces the target without waiting. So also, prarabdha karma, which has already started its effect cannot be destroyed by this Atma Jnana. It will have its own force. So that means Shruti says that Prarabdha Karma is that. Whatever that was told from the standpoint of Shruti, which is Vyavaharic standpoint, having summarized, now it is being shown. Paramarthataha, Atma has no Prarabdha. Other standpoint will be established.
स्वस्तिप्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन